Guys, look at... Hello! So, yan guys, for today's video, pupunta tayo ng Subic Safari. So, samahan nyo kaming manood at mag-enjoy to see different kinds of animals. So, tara! So, yan guys, open ang Subic Safari, Monday, Sunday, and holidays, 8 AM to 4 PM. Then, ang entrance fee nga pala nila, $8.95 for adult and $7.95 for child. And 3 feet below is free na. Then, meron din silang voucher na ibibigay, 200 pesos. Consumable siya sa souvenir and foods.
Per head nga pala yung voucher dyan, guys. Then, yung food is nag-range yan, 350 per person. Then, may free drinks na rin siya. Meron din siyang group food.
Hindi, pag may nakikitang lalaki yan.
Ay, ganon. So, puro babae yan.
Ay, pala siya.
Babae yan, ito yung lalaki. Hi! Uy! Buka mo yung backpack mo, dali! Gusto ko makita. Ay, buntot. Hello, Angel! Hello! Hello! Kakagatin niya daw yung mata mo. Hala, sa'yo, magkasing laki kayo ng mata! Joke lang. Okay, game. 1, 2, isa pa. Naula na si mama. Yung paghintay. Hi! Sa deer. Ay, may sungo yun. Oo, yun o, may sungo. Bisa atakbo siya kasi may tao. Guys, look at her. Oh my God. Sobrang ganda. Uy! Yung ano nyo, asan yung ano nyo? Jen, yung sa'yo? Jen, oo. Pahiga. Pahiga naman talaga.
Yes, ma'am. Ang yakapin niya, ma'am. Ma'am, yung face niya po, ilabas niya po. Yan, ilabas niya po, yan. 1, 2, 3, action. Alay. Ano, wala mo na hiha. Tapo niya po. Okay na, pwede na natin na.
Lolo. May ano ka? Ha? Anong map?
Lion pa lang to eh. Pero bababa pa papunta.
Ay, yung may zebra doon! Yo! Ha! Bell.
How are you, Tiger? Wala po natin. natin, white tiger po sila.
Ay, ang ganda.
Ay, ganun pala.
Ang ganda.
Yung mga tiger natin, 2 years old pa lang po yan.
Anak ko dun ka.
Sel.
Selfie kayo ma'am. Selfie with the tiger.
Haha.
Sis lang po. Picture ko lang po kayo kasama ng tiger. Dito mag-selfie.
Picture mo, Sel.
Picture naman po yan.
Wow. Lagi.
Picture po natin iuwi yung tiger. Mahilig pa naman po si Black Black sa mga batang mahilig sa
Bababa na siya.
Yung tiger natin, waiting ulit sila ng gift. Tulad po noon, alam nila pag may pumasok na gift, may pagkain. May din na naman yan.
Oh. Ayun! Ito, pinakamalaki. Google Pay niya yung maliliit din.
Hindi lang po yung sa natin yun.
Okay.
Ayos naman pagkuha din.
Yan.
Kunain yung manok ko.
Okay. Dami oh. Dami, sobrang dami.
Mag-reels tayo. Ang daming
Reels mo, oo, serious.
Kunain buhay sa edge. Diyan, papalig mo sa lalim dyan.
Ang dami.
Ganyan kami.
Gamba, wala din.
Okay, tingin po tayo. 1, 2, smile. Angat niyo po siya, sir, ma'am. Angat niyo po. Kunwari po, kakagatingin ko lang po dyan. 50 po.
Oh, ulit picture na muna. Yan na yan. Ito, kasi. Kaya nga, wait, kapag-game mo.
Most intelligent animals in the world. Now Harry is going to show us some of Pigeon's behavior. First is the sit. How about the lay down, Harry? Come on, Harry. And then turn around. Alright, now to level up. relaxed or brightened. Now, ma'am, how does it feel you are holding two of your friends now? Don't worry, ma'am. I think they like you a lot. Now, guys, do you want to be more exciting? Now, to make it more fun and exciting, ma'am, all you have to do is to close your eyes. Come on, ma'am, close your eyes, no peeping. Come on, ma'am. You need to close your eyes, ma'am, no peeping, okay? Now, guys, are you ready? Okay, and since you're ready, please welcome my cuddly buddy and Miss Tiny. Okay, ma'am, let's relax. You will put Tiny on your shoulder. Okay, ma'am, you need to open your eyes. Okay, ma'am, let's relax. The hunter will guide you, okay? Okay, by the way, this is Tiny, our albino Burmese python. They can grow from 30 to 25 feet long and can weigh as much as 200 to 400 pounds. Pythons are not venomous, but they are constrictors. They make use of their powerful muscle to squeeze or overpower their prey. Now, ma'am, what can you say about them? Ma'am, do you want to keep them? Hello? No. Ma'am, I'm sorry, but I think overtime na. No, ma'am, we're just kidding. Okay, I'm Ivana Moss for this beautiful picture and for my bravest adult volunteer. All species in the environment which makes up their home. They are here for you to appreciate their beauty, their intelligence, and
So yun guys, thank you for watching. Please follow our page, like, comment, share. Bye!